Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost iPhone instant fix step by step clearly. To find your lost iPhone, start by calming yourself down. Ensure you have another device, such as a computer or another smartphone. Open a web browser on that device. Navigate to the iCloud website at iCloud.com. Log in using your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, look for the Find iPhone option. Click on Find iPhone to access the tracking feature. The map will display all your Apple devices linked to your account. Select your lost iPhone from the list of devices. If your iPhone is online, its location will appear on the map. You can click on Play Sound to make your iPhone emit a loud sound. This will help you locate it if it's nearby. If the phone is offline, use the Notify Me option. You will receive an alert once it's back online. For added security, you can enable Lost Mode. This will lock your device and keep your data secure. You can also set a custom message for anyone who finds it. If you still can't locate your iPhone, consider contacting local authorities. Make a note of your iPhone's serial number for reference. And always remember to enable Find My iPhone in your settings next time. This feature will help you locate your device quickly in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.